Hello, this is Mike from Street Moto Z, and what you see behind me is a 2009 WR250R. I'm going to be replacing the oil today and going to take you through every step of the way, so enjoy the video. These are all the tools that I'm going to need. I bought a oil change kit for the WR250R. It's got the SAE10W40 4T engine oil. We've got the Yamaha oil filter, got the Yamaha crush washer. We've got a 12mm socket, got an 8mm socket, got some socket adjusters, an extension, and some ratchets. Also have a torque wrench and an oil drain pan. Step 1, run your bike for 5 minutes to circulate the oil and suspend any sediment in the oil. Step 2, remove the oil fill cap. Step 3, remove the 12mm oil drain plug and crush washer and let all the oil drain from your engine. Step 4, remove the oil filter element cover. There are 3 bolts and use an 8mm socket. Have your oil catch pan ready. Step 5 is to check the O-ring on the back of the element cover and make sure it's good. Replace if needed. Step 6, remove the old oil filter element. Step 7, tilt your motorcycle side to side. You'll be amazed how much oil comes out of it. Step 8, wipe old oil from the oil filter element cavity and around the cavity element cover. Step 9, install the new oil filter element and its cover, torquing the 3 bolts to 10 Newton meters or 7.2 foot-pounds. Step 10, let the oil fully drain. It will drip out and may take a while. Once it's finished draining, clean the area. Take out your crush washer and place it on the drain bolt and insert the drain bolt, torquing it with your torque wrench at 20 Newton meters or 14.5 foot-pounds. Step 11, refill the WR250R engine with 1.48 quarts of Yamalube SA10W40 4T engine oil or compatible oil. Don't use car oil. It must meet JESO T903 standards. Step 12, install the engine oil cap. Step 13, start the engine and let it run for 5 minutes. Once it's run for 5 minutes, turn it off and let it rest for 5 minutes. And the last step, step 14, level the bike and check the oil sight glass and verify the oil level is between the 2 marks. Here you can see the 2 marks and the oil level is between them. That's good. Congratulations, you just finished changing the oil on your WR250R. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just write them down here in the comments and I'll reply to them. And I hope you have a great day.